Hi guys, today I'm putting this ready in the microwave, my favorite cereal. So let's go. Let's have this camera. Why is my microwave so yellow? Okay, time to turn the timer on. I know what to do for 30 seconds, but I'm just going to tell you, just subscribe on it. And there's a little bit of time left, you can subscribe at that amount of time. I am sure you can. So thumbs up, I know why. Thumbs up, yeah. Okay, time is almost up. Okay. Thumbs up again, yeah, thumbs up. Okay, time is actually almost done now. Okay. So what happened? Well, it moved. That's for sure. Jesus Christ. This is a hot smoothie, like actually really hot. I know I just want to sing. Jesus, that hurt!